Whoa, that does not, it's not too sturdy. This is what I'm talking about. Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today, my father and I are in Kakunodate, Japan, and we just arrived. We're going to be staying at the B4T Hotel, Kakunodate, and that's actually owned by the train company. So we just arrived in the town, just got off the train, and we're gonna go do some exploring. This is a samurai village way up in the mountains of Japan. Beautiful here, I tell you. Look at this. Here's a map. Looks like maybe you can get a tour. So I do have a map on my phone actually, so I'll pull up that map and we'll do some exploring. I tell you, this is a quiet town. Very quiet. So we found a taxi driver and he didn't speak a word of English. So we decided, let's just walk a little bit. And if we head down this road, there's some temples. Get some clothes shops. Oh, that's cool. Little trinkets. Look at that helmet. That's cool. Yeah, very quiet. No people. Nobody around. That's what I like. I like the quietness. Looks like this is a restaurant. Snacks, cakes. Good old life in Japan. Very nice, quiet. All right, let me walk down here and see what we can see. This really is a beautiful town, but unfortunately, we haven't been able to find any of the sightseeing locations yet. Maybe we're getting down into something. We may have walked on the outskirts of the town instead of cutting through the center. As you can see, it's absolutely dead, but very beautiful, very nice looking. So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna make a right and see if we can find some of these places. Stay tuned. See, that looks like a tourist stop. Maybe the entrance is up here. Maybe shit ain't even open. That one's open. Open gate. People. Oh, these are. No signs are in English. This might still be private. Some lady standing on the side of the street. I think that's one of them. Let's see if I can find something out. There's a map. All right, so we did finally find a house. You do have to take off your shoes and paid an admission. It was, what was it, 1,000 per person or 500 per person? Oh, it was 500. 500 per person. Boy, these mats are soft. Let's zoom out a little bit here. This is what I come to see. So this was the actual samurai's outfit. Well, guys, this is the Samurai Street. Not too exciting. It's basically a lot of private residences that have opened their houses up to make money by having people walk through their house and see the history. All right, guys, I know this video is not the most exciting, but I like this kind of stuff. So instead of hitting every single little private residence house, we've picked out the most famous one, which is this one here. And so we're gonna check it out. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the place here. It's a whole compound, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go check it out. He said to go clockwise. It says, here we have a wooden bucket on a rope. Clearly that's a well. Look at the roof on this thing. Wow, that is thick. Look how thick that is. It's made out of like bamboo reeds. Wow. That's got to be hundreds of years old. Gotta watch my head. Is this a jail? Wow, look at that old glass. You can see the waves in it. Yeah, she got English. $9,900 square meters. 16th century. It's Aoyagi, Mr. Miyagi. Aoyagi. Got some old shoes. What's this? Please do not step. Old cookware. Old map. Oh, that's a real weapon. Check that out. Oh, look at this sword. Please try lifting slowly. It's not that heavy. Maybe I'm just really strong. Oh, there it is. Check this out. Whoa. That does not, it's not too sturdy. This is what I'm talking about. That's awesome. Wow, look at all this stuff. These old hats. Looks like an old map of the province here. Old swords. There's stuff up there too. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. That's a gun. It's amazing the steel that they use, no rust. And those are hundreds of years old. Oh, look at all them guns. Oh, Flintlocks. Man, it's crazy. This place is really cool. In fact, you guys will probably never see the first half of the video because I'm probably going to cut it all out because it was pretty boring. But this is really cool. This place is really cool. I should have just came here first because it has the whole grounds on it. It's got everything. We went to a few of those little houses and it was just kind of boring. There was nothing in them. They're just like empty houses and charging people money to come inside their residence. This place was the same price and you get to see a lot more. Not sure what all this stuff is. It's like science. This wood is probably so old. Look at all the mats in there. I'm not going to go in there because you got to take your shoes off. I'm not going to do that. Video up. We walked around the whole town. Not much going on here. It's a quiet town. So we made it all the way back to the train station. It is 4 o'clock, so now we can actually check in. And I think we need some rest. It's been days pushing ourselves. Getting up early. We got up this morning at 5 a.m. So we're gonna rest a little bit and then go get some dinner. And we'll see. I'm pretty sure this is the end of the video. Maybe if something else pops up. If something else pops up. If not, then you guys know. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.